How do you attract a guy at the gym? Well, most people, when they get to the gym, they get into that standard routine of sticking in their headphones, jumping on the treadmill and running, and they wonder why they never socialize or meet anyone. We're going to change that. So I'm going to give you 4 steps to attracting a guy in the gym. Now, the first step is you can find something situational that you can comment on. Maybe it's a particular routine that you want to know about. Maybe it's you comment on the music and how you really hate the music that they play in the gym. Find something situational that in that moment you can just strike up a conversation with. Second thing is ask him if you can get his help with something. And if you ask a guy at the gym, can I get your help with something? It's already quite a testosterone-filled environment. Guys like feeling like guys in the gym. So if you as a woman ask, can I get your help with something? Most guys will go, anything. Because they want to be that knight in shining armor. It doesn't matter if it's helping you with a routine, helping you carry something. Just asking, can I get your help with something is really going to help you get started. Third, join a class that isn't legs, bums and tums or some other female-oriented class. Join a kickboxing class or something where you're going to actually meet more guys. If you bring guys into your peer group in that way, even if you don't like any of the guys in that class, it's likely that you're going to meet other guys through them. So you're just going to get more men in your social circle. It can't hurt. And lastly, make friends with the trainers at the gym. Why is this? Because trainers know everyone. They know all the clients. It's their job to be sociable with everyone else. So if the trainer either knows you're single or in a more subtle way, just knows that you're a sociable, fun person, they're going to start introducing you to other people. If you start talking to the trainer at the gym and someone else, some other guy that he knows walks past, the trainer's going to say hi and you'll get a chance to say hi as well. Trainers are like hubs. You can use them to meet lots of other people. Do those 4 things and I guarantee, even if you don't meet the guy of your dreams at the gym, you're going to meet plenty more guys and they're going to be able to introduce you to more guys. So it's going to be much more effective. Take care. For more information, go to gettheguy.co.uk and I will see you soon. See you later.